Alright guys, now to install your TV Mate app for your YouSeeAllTv. Coming from the home screen, you want to go over to settings, and that's using your remote right here. You go to the left with that left button, to the right with the right button. You select in the center. So going over to settings, going down, we're going to go all the way over to My Fire TV. Right here, My Fire TV. Click that with the center button and go down to developer options. Click select on that developer's options and cut on ADB debugging, and also go down and put on apps from unknown sources. And now we're going to go back home, and if you don't have downloader, which is right here already installed, then you'll go over to your search and you'll go down to the D and type that in, and you will go down to downloader and hit that download. Now I already have it downloaded on there, but if you don't, then go ahead and go through the steps to download it. Alright, when you get to that downloader, it's going to open up. You want to go up and type in filelinked.com, and then hit go. Now you want to take that little red circle and take that down to download file linked, and we did that with the down button, and click select to download the file link. Now go down to install. And now that that's installed, we're going to go over to open. And we're going to enter code, which is 675-87187. And hit next. And we're going to go down to continue and click continue. Now what we want to do is go down to this guide right here, hit the down button. If this pops up, we hit dismiss. Go down to guide and click guide. Now that the download is finished, we're going to click guide again and move over to install and hit install. And now that that's installed, we're going to move over to open and click open. And now we want to click add playlist, which is the first one that's already selected. So now that we're here, we're going to scroll down to Extreme Code Login and click server address. In the first box, we're going to put in this number I'm about to set in right now. And once that number is in, make sure you check to make sure it's right. And once that number is in, we hit next. And now we enter the username that you were given. Once the username is entered, we go ahead and hit next. Once the password is entered, go ahead and hit next. Now that that's entered, we go ahead and scoot over to the next and hit next. Now you're set up and ready to roll.
serious and lead to death. Some of these problems may happen more often when Opdivo is used with Yervoy. See your doctor right away